Okay, so I've been doing some thinking recently and about the F# front-end CSS libraries ecosystem. So I'm still to do my research on it. I just know that that Bulma is very popular and there are multiple implementations of it. That is Fulma, Feliz Bulma, Sutil Bulma. Yeah, but I rarely have an occasion to actually use CSS, so I was thinking that maybe I just shouldn't use a CSS library and just write my components from scratch. Now that's not really corpus style, right? That's not how you do enterprise applications in most cases, and yeah, I might migrate from my CSS later, but for now I just want to play with it a little. Yeah, and since we are working on a catalog right now, the first component we need to create is a card. Now, how to do that? I have to actually check because I don't know how to do CSS in Sutil, so to check the docs. Oh, why isn't it loading? Okay, thank you. Styling. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. If style is CSS. Okay, so let's get going. Basically, first, what I want to do is let's create a directory component, then create the card component, and we are going to need to do this. And then we can start writing our card. Okay, so and basically here we need I'm not gonna call it style. That and let view goes diff. Okay, that's how we are going to do this. And what are the usings I need? Okay, I'm just gonna this and this. Yeah. Okay, so what do we need? Another thing I was thinking about is actually learning all the HTML5 semantic tags. Now I don't know many of them. I have to do more studying and more research on that. But one I do know is figure. So maybe we actually can use figure from the start. Figure. Okay. And then here we'll have the div, which will be the image. And then we will have the fit caption. And the fit caption will have something like What do we want here? Okay, some h3. And list item. And yeah, this is gonna be the price, like this. Now this I'm going to put the image in through CSS, because for now I'm just going to hard code it. I want to write the bindings and all of that. We're going to figure it out later. Okay, so we have that, but we need the actually put it here, and what I'm going to do is actually do. Okay, so post 8080 catalog. Okay. So let's open the cart and start with these types. Okay, so the figure, it needs to have a class of and a card. Just call it card. Then how do you do that? Wrong button. Where is the browser? Okay, I want this. Rule. You call it a rule. So rule card. Actually, let's just do this. Should be simpler. So what do we want for the figure? Actually, I think we should just maybe start with this. Okay. Background image URL. Okay, so we need some example images. Let's take random one. Oh yeah. Enable JavaScript. Something. Yeah, let's say this one. Very happy people working. That's what I like to see. So we are going to do that. Refresh. Why don't I see it? Isn't how you do it? Yeah, that's how we do it. Why don't I see it? Okay, I have to look it up. That's what I was talking about. I don't use CSS that often. Yeah, so that's how we do it. Maybe that's not how we do class rules. No, that's how we do class rules. Let's call it something different. I don't know, card image. There is some. Maybe this is breaking it. I don't know. Maybe this is wrong. The width style. Let's try it. And let's, for example, say rule p. No, rule p. Can type. And let's say font size. Yeah, it works. If there's something wrong with the image. So let's try some other. That how we do classes? And that's how we do classes. What the hell? Why isn't it working? Oh, want to do that. Okay, you know what? And just do this. Misunderstand how this reverse pipe works. Oh, because this type works, so that's not the issue. Okay, let's just do an image here for now. And how do I do this? Okay, now it works. But okay, so no. And so the first rule I want to have is for the entire figure, which would be or maybe width, and this length. No, how do you do that? Doesn't say anything about it. Oh, it's length that just do this, okay. Length dot px. I don't know. 250, let's say. Yeah, it's small, right? And what else do we want to have here? Maybe some random borders. So let's do that. This is and dot. What is it? What the radius? Radius, let's say 10 pixels. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so I have to check how to use the image as a fill, because I think I know how to do that with a div when you have the source attribute. well, not through the image, but for some reason I couldn't set the image through CSS. So okay, now let's just do this. This I want CSS.font weight like 300. Want this very fat. Maybe let's also increase the font size. So that's that, and also maybe set some padding here. Yeah, I think it actually looks very good. With the exception of the image. Okay, let's try this. Is that correct? Let's try to. No, in this case, the whole thing down. That's not what I want. Oh yeah, because one more thing, I want to hide 80%. No, that's not how we do. Length of %80. Okay, so now it stretches. But what I want. Oh my god, I want how to fill but not stretch. Object fit. Object fit. Where is that? Where is the code now? CSS object. I don't have something like this. Okay, so here's, yeah, I know how to do this, but it didn't work. Let's try it again. Maybe I will just do if and do this. Oh, now it works. I don't know what happened, but okay. Let's check it because size cover, repeat, no repeat, yeah, position T50. Okay. Still stretches. No. overflow hidden. Is this stretch? Or maybe it doesn't stretch. Maybe it just looks like it. Okay. I don't know. We'll try it with another image. Oh yeah, now it works. Okay. Because it didn't compile previously. Yeah, so now it works. But I actually want to have that class here. Let's try it. Did it breaks it? No, it still works. Okay. Yeah, and I would say that's basically our card. Now you cannot see the round corner here. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing some on hover animations and stuff like that, even though that's stupid and I don't like it because I just want to play with the with the CSS a little bit. Oh, actually, this maybe could be here. It's cleaner that way. And this, yeah, this looks okay, I think. Maybe one more thing. This is in black, right? How do you do this? Foreground, color. Oh, maybe it is black. It doesn't look fully black for me, but okay. So that would be basically our card. Now, of course, what we still have to do is to actually populate this information, including the image from parameters, but that's something for the future. I just wanted to do a quick one this time. Okay, so let's just do this, and that would be it.